Oh my God, the concept of living by the woodland, in my terms, I always call it Zabardast, Aflatun, Lajawab. But even these words don't fill the vacuum it creates when, in terms of describing the community they have built. This is something needs to be shown to the entire world what Arada has done and what is Masaar community all about. Greenery in the middle of the desert. How can this be possible? Yes, it has become possible with Masaar by Arada. Today I've come to check out Masaar by Arada. This is at Sharjah and very close to Sharjah airport, not very far away from downtown as well, and Dubai airport as well. This is a great community, forested community with 13 kilometers of cycling and jogging track, and you have 5.5 kilometers of loop cycling track inside, so keep cycling and without any obstruction and hamper. Now the 50,000 trees that were planted have become 100,000 trees, 1 lakh trees, 4,000 townhouses and villas. It's a gated community of 8 separate distinct gated community within the Masaar community, and 19 million square feet is the parcel, the land parcel, the community. And this is amazing because you have a lot of greenery, a lot of activity. It's away from the hustle bustle to find your peace, and the community, the residents are encouraged to stay outside here. That's why they built so much of forested development and greenery and verdant area to make you feel that there's life away from work, there's life with friends, there's love, there's peace, there's tranquility as well. So I'm in love with Masaar community by Arada. This is the living space. So I thought, why not discover the 5-bedroom villa, because people want space. And as compared to Dubai, here this 5-bedroom would be a great investment opportunity, as well as to seek residential investment purpose as well. We have a living, we have a dining space. There's so much peace inside also, isn't it? Outside you have so much greenery, and you know what? You can do your studies here, and then you can come down here, and that's your private elevator plus the staircase. Big glass walls give you that kind of a expanse feeling. And you got a powder room. If you have a guest, somebody wants to use a powder room, you got a storeroom. So there was a 1 storeroom here, 1 storeroom right by the study area. We have a great majlis here. So majlis, which means you have your friends over, you're meeting them, you're inviting them, and you're having nice hookah as well. And for that you have a washroom. Absolutely yes. So we had an amazing kitchen, fully done up with something like an island with so much of storage, and what you have is everything that you need in one place. So you have a great cooking experience, and you have a dry and utility area as well. We have a fabulous kitchen, isn't it? You can cook up some great dishes. Let's go and see upstairs, shall we? I'm going to take the stairs because that's the fun, isn't it? This is real fun. I'm not going to take the elevator. Amazing place this is, man. This is a great opportunity. Things are getting sold out. The villas are moving fast. It's a Sunday and a lot of people are coming. We got a bedroom here, we got a bedroom there, we got a bedroom here, and the elevators bring you up here. So elevator will take you right through. It's a nice lounge TV room kind of setting, and then you have a space out there as well. And then we go into, I thought this was the biggest bedroom, but no, this is the second biggest bedroom with the ensuite. Yeah, this is your space, isn't it? And but without the terrace, the bedroom is incomplete. That's why the terrace. Enjoying verdant spaces, the greenery, the expanse, the lush, and breathing in the oxygen which is coming from 1 lakh trees, 100,000 trees. And you have the noise and voice of kids playing. You have that birds chirping all the time. So this is a bedroom here. Wow, ensuite bedroom. And this could be given to your kids to two single little beds, and you have your back as well, with which is painted in colors, but your kids also get to have a great view of all the trees, the greenery, the forested landscape here. 5 bedrooms, so 4 bedrooms on the first level, and this is one of them as well. This is again something different, something unique, with big glass ceiling, glass walls actually. With the ensuite, something different, something unique. So this is how you can decorate, this is how you can make with the ensuite again. And you have a big glass mirror as well. And let's go up and see the biggest bedroom. I'm coming up to the second floor, and the second floor, I'm so excited. You know why? Because it has a massive bedroom with the terrace, and the lift, mind you, brings you up here. So if you have senior citizens, they can come to the lift. Wow, this is an amazing, a large bedroom with a large walk-in, so much of space, all your clothes. You buy everyday clothes and then you can put it there. And you have a bathtub to unwind, to relax, to chill out and have great fun at Masaar. Remember, by Arada, at Sharjah, 4,000 villas. So you have neighbors who are 3,999. But it's getting sold out very fast. Look at the space here. The bedroom is amazing. And when you open the curtains up, it shows you what expanse you're going into. This is your own terrace where you can really put your legs up. So this is the terrace, and I have seen, today being Sunday, there's so many people coming from all over the world, and they're coming to check out the villas, and it's gonna get sold out very fast. Mind you, there are very few villas now that will remain, because as soon as you come in today, tomorrow it's not the same thing. Look at the terrace, look at the community. This is a great isolated community which gives you 8 distinct community to choose from and to stay in. So you know, when I came into this bedroom, my favorite bedroom, and I came into the terrace, and I just sank in here into this one, the relaxing bed, where if you stay here, you can spend all your evening and morning without knowing the time is flying, and there's no hustle bustle, there's nothing, no honking, no noise and no voice and no rambunctious at all. It's just the birds, nature, and that's your neighbor, isn't it?